Hello everyone, I'm about to show you an apartment building on Spruce Street, which is very close to the center city. There are a lot of restaurants and coffee shops in the area. The apartment building I want to show you is 1225 Spruce. This building has 6 units inside. I just got in, I'm on the first floor, and this is the hallway. When you get in, on your left hand side you have the mailbox and the fire system here. You have light all over the stairs. It goes up to the 4th floor, and on the first floor you have a place where you could put your trash, and it is through this door and through here. And this is where you keep your recycles and trash.
Okay, so now we made a second video that just came up to show you the slightly updated laundry area, and the audio that we used or made while creating this doesn't link up well, so I'm explaining now that it's an updated laundry area, and that's why it just made that not so clean cut to this video. Hope that was helpful.
And here you have washer and dryer. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Bye. And it is a 4-story building. I'm gonna show you the common area. Now later on I'll be showing you each units. I'm going up to the 2nd floor. 2nd floor has 2 units, which is 2R and 2F. And you have the 3rd floor, which only has 1 unit, which is 3F. And the last one, which is the 4th floor, will be on the top of this stair, and it is 4F. I just showed you the common area of the building. Later on my videos, I'll show you the inside of the unit. Thank you guys for watching. Hey everyone, I'm inside 1225 Spruce Street. I'm about to show you a 1-bedroom unit on the 1st floor. The unit number is 1R. This is the hallway, and right now I'm in the unit. The unit has a hardwood floor and 2 big windows for a natural light. You have drop ceiling, and you have a living and kitchen area, good size. And you have a central heat, it's a radiator. In a kitchen you have a refrigerator, a gas oven, a range hood, storage cabinets, and also here in the living room you have a very big closet space. And the next room I wanted to show you is a bedroom. While I'm walking in this little hallway, on the right hand side you have this big storage closet. And then you have this very nice bedroom. The bedroom has the window unit AC and a wall. You have one window for natural light. Inside the bedroom you also have a bathroom. Nice bathroom. Tile all over the wall, on the floor, and a bathtub and shower combo. We have toilet, sink, and cabinet mirror. All right. Okay, I just showed you. Unit 1R of 1225 Spruce Street. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.